how to solve the special equation. We can expand the left side, but we will get an equation of degree 4, which is hard to solve. So let's do it in a smart way. The key idea is to make all the coefficients of x the same. In order to do that, so for the first factor, we times 4, the second times 2. So the right side also need to times 4 and 2, so which is 8. So we get 4x plus 4. The second one, 4x plus 2. So 4x plus 3 squared equals 72. Now we let t equals the average of these returns. So it is t equals 4x plus 3. So the equation becomes t plus 1, t minus 1. And here just t squared equals 72. T plus 1 times t minus 1 equals t squared minus 1 times t squared equals 72. So we get t to the power 4, but we still write as t squared and then square. And then minus t squared minus 72 equals 0. We can view t squared as a single variable, then that as a quadratic equation. We know how to factor it. It is t squared plus 8 times t squared minus 9 equals 0. So there are two possible cases. One is t squared plus 8 equals 0. The second, t squared minus 9 equals 0. For the first one, so t squared equals negative 8. No real solutions, because the square of any real number is non-negative. For the second case, so we get t squared equals 9. So t equals plus or minus 3. If t equals 3, but we know t equals 4x plus 3, so we get 4x equals 0. So x equals 0. If t equals negative 3, again, that equals 4x plus 3, then we get 4x equals negative 6. So x equals negative 6 over 4. Simplify it, so we get negative 3 over 2. So we get two solutions for the given equation. One is x equals 0. One is x equals negative 3 over 2. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.